Marhaba shabab, today I'm gonna teach you 14 questions you must know as a beginner. It's like syllable 1. And the first question is, ثواني, I have to look actually. Okay, شو اسمك? So what's your name for a man? And شو اسمك? What's your name for a female? The second one is قديش عمرك? How old are you for a man? And قديش عمرك? How old are you for a female? من وين انت? Where are you from for a man? ومن وين انت? Where are you from for a female? شو بتشتغل? What do you do for work? شو بتشتغل? This is for a man. And شو بتشتغلي for a woman. شو بتشتغل? شو بتشتغلي? وين ساكن? Where do you live for a man? وين ساكن? And for a female, وين ساكنة? وين ساكنة? شو بتحب تعمل بوقت فراغك? Again, شو بتحب تعمل بوقت فراغك? Like, what do you like to do in your free time? And for a female, شو بتحبي تعملي بوقت فراغك? Again, شو بتحبي تعملي بوقت فراغك? So for a man, شو بتحب تعمل بوقت فراغك? And for a female, شو بتحبي تعملي بوقت فراغك؟ ممتاز. The next one. عندك إخوات? Do you have children? Sorry. عندك إخوات? Do you have siblings? إخوات siblings. And for a female, عندك إخوات. So عندك إخوات for a man and عندك إخوات for a female. Do you have siblings? Okay. كم لغة بتحكي? How many language do you speak? كم لغة بتحكي? It can be used for both man and female. بتحب السفر? Do you like traveling? This is for a man. And for a female, بتحبي السفر? Do you like traveling? بتحب الرياضة? Do you like sport? بتحبي الرياضة? Do you like sport for a female? بتحب التصوير? Do you like photography? أيوة أنا كتير بحب التصوير على فكرة. و for a female بتحبي التصوير. And next one, شو عندك اليوم? What are you up to today? And for a female, شو عندك اليوم? What are you up to today? شو عندك اليوم وشو عندك اليوم. شو أخبارك? How are you? Like, what are your news literally? For a female, شو أخبارك? شو أخبارك? شو أخبارك? شلونك? Or شلونك, which means how are you? But literally, شلونك means شو لونك. What is your color today? It's a very cultural phrase. شلونك? How are you? So like basically the color of your face will determine your state of being. If you are happy, angry, sad, whatever going on in your life. شو في ما في? What's up? شو في ما في? What's up? You know, I mean most of you know that, just to confirm. And the last one is شو عم تساوي? What are you doing now? شو عم تساوي? And can be used for both female and male. تمام. Let's recap all of them. So I'm gonna read them for you from the beginning. I have the sheet here. شو اسمك? شو اسمك؟ قديش عمرك؟ قديش عمرك؟ من وين انت؟ من وين انتي؟ شو بتشتغل؟ شو بتشتغلي؟ وين ساكن؟ وين ساكنة؟ شو بتحب تعمل بوقت فراغك؟ شو بتحبي تعملي بوقت فراغك؟ عندك إخوات؟ عندك إخوات؟ كم لغة بتحكي؟ بتحب السفر؟ بتحبي السفر؟ بتحب الرياضة؟ بتحبي الرياضة؟ بتحب التصوير، بتحبي التصوير. شو عندك اليوم، شو عندك اليوم. شو أخبارك، شو أخبارك. شو في ما في، شلونك، وشو عم تساوي اليوم. So that's all for today, guys. So listen to this video, try to imitate my voice and try to focus on the how the question are being said. Even if I'm not gonna write them on screen, just listen to the voice and try to imitate the sounds. I made it slow for you so you can have time to listen carefully to these questions, and repeat the video as much as you can until you get it right. Don't forget to leave a comment. We love to see your comments so we know what we are doing, and that's encourage us. ماشي، شكرا كتير ومع السلامة، بشوفكن بعدين.